Hi friends, in the last session we have discussed the tuple last concepts, right? In the last session we have discussed the two concepts, that is tuple comprehension and tuple packing and unpacking. So normally tuple packing means packing group of values to a one variable. Unpacking means reverse of packing. Unpacking means reverse of packing. And the next thing is tuple comprehension. Comprehension means is not supported in Python. Okay, so it will give generator object. Okay, it will give what? Generator object. So the next thing here is, today we are going to discuss about a set data structure. Okay, today we are going to discuss about a set data structure. So normally what is set means, in tuple and list, if you want to represent a group of values as a single entity, if you want to represent a group of objects as a single entity, then we should go for list and a tuple. But list and tuple, there are some difference. Only list is mutable, tuple is immutable. With respect to, in the same way, set also there are some description we are going to I'm going to explain each and every point now. If we want to represent, so first point, if we want to represent, sorry, if we want to represent a group of group of unique values, unique unique values as a single entity, values as a single entity. If we want to represent a group of objects as a single entity where duplicates not allowed, insertion order is not preserved, and indexing and slicing are not applicable, then we should go for set data structure. Okay, right? So if you want to represent a group of objects as a group of objects, group of unique values as a single entity, then we should go for set data structure. Then we should go for set data structure. structurer. Then we should go for set data structure. Next thing. Okay. Next thing. Next, what I'm going to do means, if you want to represent a group of unique values as a single entity, then we should go for set data structure. So set won't support for duplicates. Okay, duplicates are not allowed. Duplicates are not allowed. Okay, duplicates are not allowed. And the next, insertion order is not preserved. Insertion order is not preserved. Okay, insertion order is not preserved. Okay, let me read here one point. Set elements are represented by flower brace. Okay, flower brace. That is nothing but flower brace. Duplicates are not allowed. Insertion order is not preserved, but we can sort the elements. Okay, insertion order is not preserved, but we can sort the elements. But we can sort the elements. Okay, but we can sort the elements. Next thing, indexing and slicing not applicable allowed for the set. Indexing and slicing are not allowed for the set. Are not allowed for the set. Okay, indexing and slicing not allowed for the set. But heterogeneous objects are available. Heterogeneous objects are allowed. Heterogeneous objects are allowed. Next, set objects are mutable. Okay, set objects are mutable. Okay, set objects are mutable. That means, so set objects are mutable. That means we can create set objects and we can perform any changes on the set object based on our requirement. Okay, set objects are mutable. That means create we can create we can create a set objects. We can create set objects and we can perform any changes. Okay, and we can perform any changes in that object in that object based on our requirement based on our requirement. Set objects are mutable. We can create set objects and we can perform any changes in that object, okay, based on our requirement. Next, we can represent the set elements within curly braces. Okay, we can represent the set elements within curly braces. That means flower brace. Okay, flower or curly brace. And next point, we can apply mathematical operations like union, intersection, difference, etc. on set object. Okay, we can apply mathematical operations. Can apply mathematical operations. Okay, we can apply mathematical operations like union, intersection. Okay, union, intersection, comma, difference, etc. on set objects. On set objects. See, observe here. What I am doing means set data structure means if you want to represent a group of unique values as a single entity, then we should go for set data structure. Set elements are represented by flower brace. That means a curly brace. Duplicates are not allowed. Okay, insertion order is not preserved. Okay, but we can sort the elements. But when insertion order is not preserved, so we cannot expect indexing and slicing. So that's why indexing and slicing are not allowed for the set. Heterogeneous objects are allowed. Set objects are mutable, but we can create set objects and we can perform any changes in that object based on our requirement. We can apply mathematical operations like union, intersection, differences, and etc. on set objects. Okay, we can apply mathematical operations like union, intersection, difference, etc. on set objects. Okay, this is nothing but set data structure. Okay, in the next session, I'm going to explain each and every point. So, what is this? All these things like I'm going to explain. So then you will get much clarity what is set and why we will use a set. Okay. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you are having any questions or queries, please post your query in the comment section or reach out to my email ID in the given description. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.